Now, let me start with something real. Many of us have done user interviews and left feeling confused.
User said everything looks fine. They smiled, they said great idea. Then you ship and nothing changes. Adoption is flat. Retention does not move. And you're like, wait, but he said they liked it.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you're a product manager, founder, or engineer, and you've ever said we need to talk to users, but then you got busy and never did it, then this video is certainly for you. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to run user interviews that actually lead to better products, not just polite feedbacks and compliments at the end of the day. So here's the truth. Most user interviews fail because we interview like we are defending our products, or we interview like we're looking for approval. The goal is not to hear, I like it. The goal is to understand what is true in the user's world. So I'll give you a simple approach that has helped me and my teams that I have worked with over time, and it's practical and it actually respects the user's time. Okay, first, you need the right people. Not everyone is your user. You need to remember that if you want insights that lead to better products, you have to talk to people who either experienced a problem recently or people who are actively using a workaround today. That's where the real gold is. Very important to note that if they cannot describe the last time the problem happened in detail, they are probably not the right interview for this topic, okay? Now, let's talk about how to invite people, first of all, without sounding weird. Keep it normal, humanize it. You can say something like, hi, I'm working on improving this part of the product and I would love to learn from your experience. I'm not selling anything, I just want to understand how you currently do this. Can I get 15 minutes of your time? If you can offer some small thank you, that's fine. But do not make it about incentives. Rather, make it about learning from the users themselves. The next biggest is mindset shift. Do not interview around your solutions. Interview around their lives as users. Instead of asking, would you use this feature? Ask things like, tell me about the last time you tried to do this task. Walk me through it. Because what I've come to understand is people are not great at predicting what they will do, but they are very good at describing what they actually already did in the past. Now, let me give you a simple structure you can actually follow for almost any user interview. Firstly, you need to start with context. You want to warm up without wasting anyone's time, either your time or the user's time. And then you go with, tell me a bit about your role and what your normal day looks like when you're doing this kind of tasks. Then you could go into some real story about, tell me about the last time you did it, not the usual time. The last time is very important. And they talk. As they talk, your job is to slow them down because most people will summarize. You want the details. What triggered it? What was the first thing you did? What did you do next? Where did you get stuck? What did you do when you got stuck? How did you know you were done? Or what happened after? Okay, these are the kinds of questions you want to pay attention to, listen to, kinds of feedback. And so you don't understand, this is where you discover friction, not from opinions, but from their behaviors, okay? Then you dig into the pain and impact. What are the most annoying parts? What did it cost you in time or money or stress? How often does this happen? Who else is affected when this goes wrong, okay? Now you explore their current workaround. You're saying, what did you use today? Why did you use that option? What do you like about it? What do you hate about it? Or if you could wave a magic wand, what would be different? Here, what you're trying to do is you notice what they are doing. Yeah, we are not asking them to design the solution. We're actually uncovering what really matters or truly matters to them. Now, a quick warning. Avoid leading questions. This is a very common trap. You don't want to ask, would you like a dashboard that shows all your payments in one place, okay? Because users will tell you yes, because it actually sounds very nice to them. Instead, ask questions like, How do you currently track your payment across channels? That question forces reality, and reality is what actually builds better products. Also, watch out for compliments. Compliments actually feel good, but they do not help you to ship at all. If someone says, "This is nice," respond with a thank you. Can you tell me what you will do with it in your real workflow? Or you could ask, what would make you stop using your current method and switch to this other alternative? Okay? That's a powerful question because switching has a cost. If they cannot answer clearly, you do not have a strong value proposition at that point. Now, let's talk about notes. If you do interviews and you just record and never synthesize, you would end up with a folder of videos and no decisions. Here's a simple method. Immediately after the call, write down 3 things that you picked in the course of the interview. The biggest pain you heard, the current workaround, and the moment that they struggled. Then you tag your notes into buckets. You have pain, you have trigger, you have workaround, desired outcomes, and then maybe quotes. What you then see is after 5 to 10 interviews, you start seeing patterns. And now patterns are actually the point. 1 interview is a story, 10 interviews actually a signal. Now, how does this lead to better products? You turn these patterns into problem statements. For example, you might discover that users are not struggling with the payment gateway itself. What they're actually struggling with is the uncertainty. They probably do not know if the payment went through at any point, or they're actually scared of being debited without a confirmation notification. That insight actually changes what you're then building. Now, instead of adding more payment options, you're improving the confirmation speed, error, clarity, retires, and trust messaging. That's how interviews actually become great product decisions. Okay, now let me ask you to challenge yourself. If you're a product manager watching this video, do not keep this knowledge to your head alone or in your head alone. Share your interview script to your team. Teach a junior PM how to run their first interview. Volunteer to run a research session in your community, then document what you've learned and publish a short post. The tech space improves when we normalize learning from users and not just guessing. Now, I want to wrap up with a practical checklist you can screenshot mentally. Talk to the right users who experienced the problem recently. Ask about real past behaviors, not feature opinions. Dig into triggers, pin workarounds, and impact. Avoid leading questions and treat compliments as noise. Then synthesize immediately and look for patterns. Then you're converting the patterns into clear problem statements and measurable outcomes. Now, if you found this useful, drop a comment with the product you're working on and the user you want to interview. I'll suggest 5 strong interview questions for your specific case. See you in my next video.